Hi, I'm Sarah. Typically, you might see me building out my van with the goal of traveling around the US, but I like to travel internationally too, especially to see my favorite person. If you didn't know, I lived in Barcelona, Spain between 2018 and 19 and was blessed with the best roommate in the whole world, Anna. Me and Anna did everything together and were able to travel so much. As soon as we left Barcelona, we were already planning on visiting each other. Luckily, I was able to visit January 2020 right before COVID struck, so it's been a whole 3 years since we've seen each other, and now I'm finally on my way back to the heart of Central America, Honduras. Okay, it's a little after 4 o'clock. I leave for Honduras at like 6 in the morning, so I have all my stuff laid out here, and I have to pack it into my suitcase and this backpack. The suitcase, which I wasn't going to bring at first, but my friend who I'm going to visit, Anna, her sister ordered an oboe for her daughter, and so they shipped the oboe to my house so I can bring it to Honduras for them. So that's taking up about half of my backpack right now. Hopefully we can get all of this packed into one bag with my backpack. Okay, so I just Tetrised all of my stuff in my suitcase, and this is all that I have left over. So all of this is going to be going into my backpack, plus some of my last minute toiletries, and this definitely closes, I believe. Suitcase, check. Now for my backpack. Obviously, laptop is gonna go first because we all know where that goes. Yeah, I guess we'll just pile all the clothes on the bottom. And there we have it. This is like quite skinny for what I normally do. Like literally, I look like a Ninja Turtle with how big I normally stuff this. So I'm glad to give my back a break. Put the rest in the suitcase, and okay, I accomplished that in 5 minutes. So now we wait. It is about 5:12 in the morning right now. Trent is bringing me probably earlier than I want, but he has to get to work, so I'll just sit at the airport for a while. But first, we have to get dressed. Okay, now I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth, put a little bit of makeup on to help the situation. I have 15 minutes. I can do this. I don't know what I did recently, but my skin has been super smooth. Trent came downstairs at 4:30 asking me if I was getting ready and up. I said, Trent, I have 45 more minutes to sleep. And he starts getting all crazy. He said, no, I told you we have to leave earlier. I said, Trent, you said we had to leave at 5:30. He didn't believe me, so I pulled up his text message. It said, okay, leaving at 5 a.m. 5:30 a.m. He just turned right around, went back upstairs. I went back to bed. You always have to have receipts with Trent because he does not remember what he says. And Uber is not an option where I live. I'm sure you guys can't hear right now, but you hear it in all my videos. The chickens are chickening. The rooster's crowing. I don't know what stereotype it was for the rooster to crow when the sun rises, because it crows absolutely all the time. Also, probably one of my favorite things about the Spanish language. So in our language, roosters go cock-a-doodle-doo. In Spanish, roosters go kikiriki. I think it's hilarious. Okay, that was my Spanish fun fact of the video. Hair looks relatively okay. Have my ring. My dad just got me this ring for Christmas. It's a croissant ring. I like it. Okay, I think we're ready to go. He is a minute late so far. I hear him upstairs. It sounds like he's moving. He's coming down the stairs. Okay, gotta go. It is 5:37. We haven't left yet. He had to go feed chickens and ducks and whatnot, so. Thank you, Trent.
You're welcome.
I got through security pretty quick. I'm sitting at an empty gate right now. I got myself some Starbucks. I board in 10 minutes. Okay, I just got to Anna's house. I arrived in Honduras. It was a straight flight from New Orleans on Spirit Airlines. Got to Honduras, went through all of the COVID check and immigration. Anna picked me up and now I'm here. Her mom gave me a little Valentine's Day cookie because today is Valentine's Day. And then we just had some lunch and today's a pretty uneventful day. I'm gonna go ahead and take a nap. Anna's working right now, so she just went and take a business call, and then her mom is making me like a traditional Honduran dinner tonight, so not too much going on. Good morning, everyone. So last night, her mom, like I said, cooked me a dinner, invited some of the family over, and one of Anna's friends who's coming with us this weekend. We had yuca con chicharrón, which is yuca, if you don't know what it is, because I didn't, it's kind of in the potato family. And then chicharrón is fried pork. So that was our dinner, and then we had some chocolate mousse, and it was super delicious. So now today is day 2. Anna's already woke up at 5 in the morning to go to the gym and film 2 workout videos as her side job. Now she's working her real job. And then we have to run some errands. But first thing for me is to find a dress for this weekend. For the wedding, we are going to Copan Ruins, which is about a 3-hour drive. And I need, Latino weddings are very formal. So Anna gave me a few dresses to try on. So we're going to go ahead and do that first and make sure I have my outfits ready for the weekend. These are all the dresses I get to try on. 5 dresses. I feel like I'm getting ready for high school prom right now. Okay, this is option 1. It's a little more on the plain side, but it's a no for me. I can't do it by myself, but I don't think if I had help I'd be able to do it either, so it's a no for this one. Okay, this is dress 2. It fits. It looks good. It zips up all the way, but I can't move, I can't walk, I can't sit, I can't dance. So if worst comes to worst, I have a dress that fits. I just have to. I literally can't even do this. Okay, we have dress number 3. It fits. It fits pretty good. It's like an army green. Green's my color because it kind of highlights my hazel eyes. Don't know how I feel about it yet. It looks better than I thought it would. So it's definitely a contender, mostly because, well, it fits. This is another one. I can't even turn around because that's how much it does not zip up. It's so pretty though, but it's a no. This is another option. Super pretty, but it doesn't look as good in person as it does on camera because this is just not staying up. It's going in the no pile. Okay, and the final dress, it's just all black. It has openings right here, an asymmetrical look. I think it fits really good, and it's a really comfortable material. This might be the safest option. Okay, so what's the plan? Nap time is over. We're going to the city center.
This is no bueno.
We're going to the center to
Car wash.
car watch.
We're not getting down.
Okay, we're just going car watch and buy snacks for tomorrow. We leave at like 7 in the morning tomorrow. The driver's coming pick us up to go to Copan. We need snacks, and we're going city watch.
Yeah.
From the car. Because
Okay.
Anna says we can't get out.
Why do you? I'm getting a bad image of Honduras.
Alright, me and Anna just got back to the house. We went drive around the city a little bit. Anna was definitely too nervous. She was a tad nervous, but we drove around. We saw the church, and it was really, really pretty, and there was just like a bunch of tents of people selling random things. Then we went to the supermarket to grab some snacks for tomorrow, and I got my favorite Honduran snack, plantano chips. Is that what you call it? I mean, that's what I call it. Plantano chips, no? Plantano chips. The first time I had these, Anna had came back home from Barcelona and brought me like 3 bags, and I didn't even share them with our other roommate. I ate them all by myself. So then the next time I came here, I got like 3 bags to bring home to the US, and now I have 3 more bags. So I got those for snacks, we got some cookies, and we're leaving at 9:30 tomorrow to head to Copan. We're gonna go to Coffee Farm, a chocolate and tea factory, the Copan ruins, and is that everything?
Yeah. On the wedding.
Yep, and the wedding, so. Okay, so we're just gonna stay in the cars. Just delete it!